Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab. 2020 to current L5P owners, check out our Stage 1 High Flow Intake Bundle Kit. The OEM intercooler pipes on the L5P Duramax have some notorious shortcomings. Our Stage 1 High Flow Bundle Kit takes care of both your hot and short side intercooler pipe replacements. These are OEM replacement, bolt-on components, no tuning required, emissions compliant. So the first part of our Stage 1 High Flow Bundle Kit is our hot side, also known as the driver's side, intercooler pipe. We're replacing the 2.5-inch factory pipe, which is half rubber, about 2.5 feet worth of rubber, and a small section of metal, with a nice 3-inch high flow mandrel bent 14 gauge aluminum pipe. Much more reliable than the factory rubber component, and we've replaced the connection at the turbocharger with our high quality air midline silicone boot. This is a high temperature rated boot. The turbo outlet has the highest temperature of the whole intercooling system, and the outlet at that turbo is the most common failure point of the intercooler plumbing. The middle of our silicone boots also have a nice wire reinforcement internally to keep that boot from expanding under extreme loads and high temperatures. At the bottom of the intercooler pipe, at the connection to the intercooler, we have our 3-inch silicone boot and stainless steel T-bolt clamps. So moving from the hot side to the cold side, you have your cold charge air, which is entering your passenger side intercooler pipe. The factory 3.25-inch intercooler pipe is a plastic assembly with a boot connection in the middle, a clip ring connection at the throttle valve. What we're doing with our cold side pipe is replacing the 3.25-inch plastic component with our nice high quality 3.5-inch mandrel bent intercooler pipe. At the connection to the intercooler, we eliminate the factory single lip seal with our double O-ring seal on our CNC machine flange and new wire retaining ring. A healthy amount of grease on your O-rings after they've been installed. Pre-install the wire clip, and that intercooler pipe slides into place over the OEM intercooler connection. At the top of the intercooler pipe, we have our CNC machined billet bead roll adapter. What this adapter does is uses a similar connection as the intercooler with a double O-ring seal and a new wire retaining clip. This assembly slides onto the throttle valve, and we use a silicone boot connection between the billet bead roll and our 3.5-inch intercooler pipe. Our intercooler pipe does incorporate the OEM temperature sensor location for a trouble-free install with no trouble codes on the dash. So that's the Stage 1 High Flow Bundle Kit for the L5P 2020 to current here in front of us. We've got this kit put together in one easy-to-install package to save you a little bit of money versus buying the components individually. This kit here, shown in our popular WCFab red powder coat color, with 35 standard colors to choose from and many thousands of colors if you opt for the custom color. We do offer the Stage 2 and 3 kit as well, which comes with some more of our upgraded intake components and turbo downpipe, so be sure to check those out if you're interested in a little bit more. The Stage 1 kit, as well as these components available individually, are typically always in stock ready to ship. So if you've got a failed intercooler pipe on your hot or cold side, be sure to reach out to us for expedited shipping, and we have these parts in stock ready to go for you. So that wraps up our Stage 1 bundle kit for the 2020 to current L5P Duramax. Thanks a lot for watching.